In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Invoice in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily access and manage your invoices. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Zoho Books URL, then use your credentials to log in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the central hub of your Zoho financial management. Now that you're on the dashboard, it's time to navigate to the sales section. You'll see a menu on your left. Look for this sales tab and give it a click. This section is all about managing your business's income and will contain everything related to sales transactions. With sales selected, the next step is to find and click on Invoices. Doing this will bring up a list of all the invoices associated with your account. This section is crucial as it serves as the primary display window for all existing invoices. Once you are on the invoices page, you have access to all your invoices. Here you can view the details of each invoice, including customer information, due dates and payment statuses. It's a convenient way to keep track of what's outstanding, what's been paid, and the overall status of all sales in invoice form. If you're looking for specific invoices, you might want to use the drop-down menu. This menu helps you filter and select the invoices you're interested in. Whether it's by date, status, or another criterion, use this feature to narrow down what you need to see. It's especially helpful when dealing with a large number of documents. Another useful feature is accessed through the Settings menu. When you click on Settings, you'll be directed to a new area where you can customize how you view and manage your invoices. From here, navigate again to Sales. This area allows you to directly manage various sales components, including invoices. Under Sales, by selecting Invoices, you gain additional features and settings. This can be particularly helpful if you need to change invoice templates or adjust how they are sent to your clients. The customization options here allow for a personalized touch to your invoices that reflect your brand. And that sums it up. You now know how to access and manage your Zoho invoices quickly and effectively. Whether it's navigating through existing invoices or customizing them to suit your business needs, Zoho Books provides a user-friendly interface to keep everything organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find managing your invoices in Zoho Books to be a seamless experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.